We'll guide you through how to fix messages not delivering on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying because you're then unable to get in contact with somebody and go and send them a message. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes in order to try fixing this and hopefully be able to go and get your messages delivered, and then whoever you're trying to send them to can go and get them. So to go and get started, you want to go and open up the Messages app. So this is going to work whether these messages are green here or blue. If they're green, this is the classic SMS message, whereas if they're blue, that is the iMessage, but we've got fixed for them both in this video. So let's go and get straight into this. To get started, do go and look at the top of your phone and check for your mobile network service. You can drag down as well and look at it in the top left. If you're trying to send a green SMS message, you need mobile network signal. If you're using iMessage, that can go and use Wi-Fi instead. So make sure you've got Wi-Fi or service essentially. If you're finding you have got service but it's still not working, what you can try doing is turning on airplane mode. Just have it on for a few seconds and then tap it again to turn it off. Now you can try delivering the message again by tapping this, and you can then go and press try again. Hopefully now it'll go and deliver. If you're finding it says no service, what you should try doing is you should try moving to a different location and also making sure that your SIM is definitely working with your mobile network provider. The next fix you can try doing is opening up your settings like so. Come down and you need to find the option for mobile service. In some regions, it'll be called cellular. Go and tap there. Then what you want to do is make sure for network selection, you have got that set to automatic. You can then come back. And what you can also try doing is turning on Wi-Fi calling as well. So you can try turning that on and press enable. Then what we can do is go and return and go and see if we can then go and get the message to go and be delivered. If you're finding it still isn't working, you can return to your settings. What we're going to do is go and scroll down and you need to go and find apps. Now we need to go and find messages. This is alphabetical, so it shouldn't take too long. And as you can see, here it is, messages. Now in here, you want to go and scroll down. First of all, if iMessage is currently turned on, try turning it off. And if it's turned off, go and turn it on as well. Because if a recipient goes and has an iPhone, you can use iMessage and that will then go and hopefully get delivered if there's a problem with the SMS network. But also just turning it off and back on can often resolve problems with messages not delivering. Then once you've done that, you can go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for resend as text message. So if there's a problem with iMessage, instead of just saying not delivered, it'll try sending it as a text message, which is good in case there's some sort of problem. So then you can go and see if that goes and solves the problem. Return and see if it does. If it still doesn't, let's try doing a forced restart in case there's some sort of problem with the device. So to do this, you press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side power button. You go and see this screen here, but you keep on holding it down. Shortly, the phone screen is going to go black, and this indicates that it's then turning off. But you keep on holding it down. We're only going to go and release it when we go and see the Apple icon, as this indicates it's then coming back on. As you can see, there it is. So now go and wait. When it comes back on, try resending the message, and hopefully now it'll go and send. Another thing you should try doing is opening up the settings app like so, scrolling down and find the option for general and tap there. And in here, you want to go and find the option for software update. If there's an update available for your phone, try doing it, as often a software update will go and resolve problems like this. If you're finding that it still won't, then what you should try doing is sending a message to somebody else and multiple other people to go and see if they go through. If you're finding they're all not delivering and they're green, it's likely a problem with your mobile network, and so you should go and get in contact with your network provider. If you're finding it's just a problem with one person, then make sure they haven't changed their number and that number has worked before, because otherwise it can just be a problem with that one phone number you're trying to get in contact with.